if you're getting an error that says there was a problem reaching our servers in Roblox, there's a few steps you can take to try to resolve the issue. So first, you can check your internet speed by going to speed test. And just make sure that you have more than 4 megabytes of download. So 4 megabytes of download. I have more than enough because I'm paying a lot for internet, but yeah, make sure that you have 4 megabytes per download. That's the first thing. Next thing is you can try to change your Wi-Fi adapter, so you can try to connect with a mobile hotspot, or try to check if you can get another connection with your Ethernet cable. Then try disabling any ad blocker that you have. So for instance, I have Opera GX, and they have a built-in, let's go Roblox, they have a built-in app blocker, which is right here, and I can turn it off for this site. Sometimes sites are blocking access to certain parts because you have an ad blocker on. And the last thing to do is you can check your game files. Well, I guess not check them, but you can reinstall the whole game and hope that it reinstalls correctly and it gives you all the files that you need to continue playing. Hope that helps.